In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clean graph or chart sticker to your video in CapCut for desktop. Start by opening CapCut on your computer. Give it a moment to load the workspace. If you're new to the desktop version, you'll see a clear home screen with a big button that makes starting a project simple. Click New Project to create a fresh timeline. This opens the editor and gets everything ready for your media. Next, bring in your main video. You can click to select your video file from your computer or simply drag and drop it into the media panel. Once it's in, drag the clip onto the timeline so it becomes the base layer of your edit. If your footage is long, don't worry about trimming yet. You can always adjust it later. Now let's add the visual element that gives your edit a data-driven touch. Look to the toolbar and click Stickers. This panel contains a mix of static and animated graphics you can layer over your footage. To quickly find what you need, use the search bar at the top of the Stickers panel and type terms like graph, chart, or bars. These keywords surface icons and animated elements that look like bar charts, line graphs, and other data visuals. Browse the results and pick the graphic that fits your style and pacing. You can preview stickers by hovering over them, then click to add one directly to your timeline. It will appear above your main video as its own layer. If you don't see it right away, make sure the playhead is over the section of your video where the sticker sits. With the sticker selected, resize it in the preview window by dragging the corners. Aim for a size that reads clearly without covering important parts of your shot. You can also click and drag to reposition it, for example, near a corner or aligned with an on-screen subject. Keep an eye on the edges so nothing gets cut off when the video is viewed on different screens. If the sticker looks blurry, reduce the scale a bit. Most graphics look sharper when they're not stretched too large. For pacing, adjust how long the sticker stays on screen by dragging the ends of the sticker layer in the timeline. Short appearances can highlight quick points, while longer durations work well for explanatory moments. If you're stacking multiple stickers, place them on separate layers and stagger their timing for a cleaner look. That's it. Your graph or chart sticker is in place, sized just right, and ready to enhance your story. Give it a quick preview, make any final tweaks to positioning and duration, and you're done.